to the E to the Mo to the E to the Mo to
in the morning, the day is dawning. It's me. Now realizing my responsibility. It's me. My best friend's always on my mind. You wanna be down tonight.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy, and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this lovely gorgeous unit that was sent to me from Fridaynighthair.com, y'all. I haven't done a review for them in quite some time now, but y'all check out this wig though. All right, this is definitely giving me like Moesha vibes, and if you're a 90s baby, you know what I'm talking about, or before then, you know what I'm talking about. If not, then you might be like super young. Okay, so I'm almost 30, just to put that out there, but this is definitely giving me like Moesha vibes. All right, so I decided to do this video just a little bit different. I wanted to go ahead and come and talk to y'all first about what I did throughout the review. If you guys definitely want to see how I styled this unit, how I put it on and all that, just go ahead and fast forward to the middle or whatever. I am going to include a clip on how I installed the unit. Now, just a couple things that I wanted to let you guys know why I styled it the way that I did. First of all, so this hair doesn't come with any baby hairs. So if you cut the lace and then you put it like, you know, in the front or whatever, there are no baby hairs, so it kind of looks really weird without the baby hairs, in my opinion. It just looks really not like natural, you know what I mean? So what I decided to do was I brushed out my own baby hairs, and then I went ahead and laid this baby on, y'all. So I tried to blend it as much as I could with my makeup. So I took my little, I have this little brush right here, and then like my little powder, and I just kind of like brushed my makeup on there, just to kind of hide the line a little bit. I'm probably gonna end up putting like maybe like a bandana or something on, and put this baby up. But I mean, it's super cute. Like, y'all check this out though. Super cute. I love the braids. You can tell it was definitely like hand braided in the front. So the back isn't braided like this all the way, so it doesn't look like this all the way all throughout. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the back, what it looks like. So it's just basically like tracks, and this is what it looks like in the back. So nothing spectacular. So it's not braided all throughout the unit or whatever, but it's just the front, and you get it just a little bit like just up here. I would say it's probably like a, I don't know if I should say 13 by 6 or what, but yeah. So the style that I have this unit in, it's the Gls01, and I have it in the color 1B. I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, y'all. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Again, please watch the whole video if you want to know how I installed this unit and everything. But super easy. It is your standard construction. It comes with 2 clips in the front, 1 in the back with your adjustable straps. I only clipped the clip in the back, and that was it. Like, the front really isn't clipped, y'all. Like, I can legit just like keep moving this around. But the great thing that I love about Friday Night Hair is that the lace, it is a harder lace, and although it is big head friendly, it's pretty snug as well. So it's not going anywhere. It's not going to move anywhere. Like, especially the front. I love how the front of Friday Night Hair units fit. They just fit so snug and perfect. Like, you don't even have to clip the clips on in the front. Me personally, as you guys already know, they give me headaches. So I don't like to clip unless I absolutely have to. Unless it's like my wig is about to fall off, so I need to clip the front. That's the only reason why I would personally clip the front of my units. But yeah, y'all, this is it. So my earring keeps falling off. It even fell off while I was recording as well. So annoying. Alright, I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these out. We're about to head out in just a few, but I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these out because yeah, they keep giving me issues. But yeah, y'all, let me give y'all one more look up close. Y'all see that? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Y'all like it? Y'all like it? So y'all can see from the side right here. I tried to got-to-be glue it a little bit, but that was really it. Very pretty curls though. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? All right, y'all. Well, I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. Bye, guys.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.